Welcome to webFluidMath. webFluidMath brings handwritten math to life. webFluidMath combines the power of cloud computing with our award-winning FluidMath platform. webFluidMath is a math teaching and learning tool for middle school and high school mathematics designed specifically for iPads and other mobile tablet devices. In webFluidMath, simple gestures can quickly produce graphs, tables, and computations from your handwritten math. Teachers like most that webFluidMath's user interface is handwritten math notation, which helps make the technology transparent, and that webFluidMath enables in a single tool a range of algebraic manipulations not available anywhere else. We trust that your students will find webFluidMath engaging and that you will find it an effective teaching tool. In this video, we will explore the functionality of webFluidMath. In webFluidMath, you can write a simple arithmetic expression, for example 7 plus 3, and solve it. Using a scribble erase gesture, you can change the 7 to a 4, and the result updates automatically. You can also write more complex arithmetic expressions, which include multiple operations, as is the case with this fraction. You can also introduce symbols. For example, you can write a equals 2 plus 3, b equals 6 plus 4, and now solve the fraction a divided by b. Note that in webFluidMath, you use a single arrow to simplify and a double arrow to get a numerical approximation, as with these two fractions. Everything on the screen is dynamic. I can change the value assigned to a, and we can see the results change accordingly. One of the things teachers like most about webFluidMath is that you can move very fluidly between the three representations: the algebraic representation, the graphical representation, and the numeric or tabular representation. Here we write the line equation y equals x. With the graphing gesture, a simple swoop from the equation creates a graph in webFluidMath. We can click the table button to see a table of values. With the scribble erase gesture, we can change the equation to y equals mx plus b, the equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form. The workspace in webFluidMath is dynamic. I can assign a value to m, and the graph and table change accordingly. I can change the value of m again, and the graph and table change dynamically. We can also create sliders. With the slider gesture, a short vertical line written from the equal sign of an assignment. Here, we can see what slope means and how different values of m affect slope. Likewise, we can explore the y-intercept. We can plot the coordinate pair 0, b, and then create a slider for b to explore the y-intercept. Sliders allow you to dynamically explore many values of a parameter. This is especially powerful for visual learners. Let's look at one more example using a topic that many students find challenging to learn and teachers find challenging to teach: absolute value. Here, we look at the absolute value family of functions. We start with y equals the absolute value of x and graph it. Next, we plot y equals the absolute value of x plus a. We can explore various values for a, and we see that as we change a, the graph moves horizontally. And when we create a slider for a, we can see that when we move the slider to the left, decreasing a, the graph appears to move to the right. And when we increase a, the graph appears to move to the left. To further explore the function, we add b outside the absolute value. We create a slider for b, and we can see that when we change b, the graph appears to move vertically. As we increase b, the graph moves up, and when we decrease b, the graph moves down. We just scratched the surface of what is possible with webFluidMath in this video. When you try webFluidMath for the first time, please explore the tutorial, which you can find via the tutorial link on the upper left of the webFluidMath page. The tutorial includes several sections, and there is a practice area in which you can try the concepts presented in this tutorial. For example, here I am trying to graph an equation as explained in the graphing section of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enjoy teaching and learning using webFluidMath.